In today's video, hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you 10 YouTube video ideas for beginners, no subscribers, struggling to figure out what your first few YouTube video should be. Here are 10 video ideas you can make today, even with 0 subscribers and just your phone. Yes, you don't need fancy grid or a huge audience to start. These, these video ideas are perfect for beginners and proven to attract viewers in 2025. Yes, this yourself. Introducing yourself. First idea, introduce yourself. Very simple but powerful. Yes, it's powerful. Share who you are, what your channel is about, and what people can expect from it. What people can expect. Idea number 2, why you started your YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. People love personal stories, and it will help you connect emotionally with your first viewers. Yes, people love personal stories. It will help you connect emotionally with your first viewers. Idea number 3, your setup. Your setup. Yes, you make a video and show your setup. It's very important. It will help you. Idea number three video idea. Number 3 video idea. Your setup. Yes, you show your setup. Even if it's only with your phone and your window view, you show your setup. Viewers love transparency. Viewers love transparency. Yes, your viewers love transparency. People love. Idea number 4, my top 3 YouTubers. Yes, you shout out to your creators. You shout out to creators you admire. Yes, this will help you build community. It will help you build your community, and it will get you, it might get you notice. Yes, notice. It might get you notice. Idea number 5. Idea number 5. What I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Oh, what I wish. Share what you wish you knew for helping other beginners. It is very good for helping other beginners. And you show your earlier journey. Yes. Idea number 6, a day in my life. A day in my life. This is a new YouTube edition. Yeah, a day in my life. You document your day. You document your day, even if it's simple. Authentic flaws are trending in 2025. Then, idea, video idea number 7. Video idea number 7. Reacting to my first video. You make a video and react to your first video. If you already, excuse me, if you already posted, excuse me, if you already posted a video, react to it. Show growth and personality. If you already posted a video, you react to it. Show growth and personality. Yes. Then, idea, video idea number 8. Behind the scene. Behind the scene of making videos. Show, yes, show how you film, show how you plan, film, and edit. People love the process. People love learning the process. Yes, me too. I love learning the process. I always love watching behind the scene of any creator. If you put it, if I see it, I will jump on it. So you show behind the scene of your video making, of you making a video. Show how you plan, how you film, and how you edit. Very important. People love learning the process. Idea number 9. Number 9, answering new YouTubers' question. Such questions new YouTubers ask. Make a video answering them with an instant value. Yes. 10. Idea number 10 idea. My YouTube goals for 2025. What are your YouTube goals for 2025? Share your YouTube goals for 2025. You make a video, share your goals. It keeps you accountable and it inspires your audience to set theirs. Yes, it inspires your audience to set their own goals. So, which of these video ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe, like and share. Comment the video you to try first. Thank you for watching. Please